Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at Axway Amplify Fusion's database connector and its custom feature where I could use custom SQL. Instead of building my SQL command graphically, I could just use existing SQL that I may have. We're going to do a database table join, just as we did in a prior video. So if I look at my Postgres database, I've got a customer table with customer ID, and then I've got an order table with order ID and customer ID, and the customer ID links to this customer ID. So I'm going to do a join of those two tables as we've done before, but this time I'll use the existing SQL, and here is the SQL statement. Select full name, order ID, order date, amount, status from orders, join, order by. So if I run this, you will see the three orders with the customer name in there. Okay, let's come over here and let's create a test integration. Hello DB Custom SQL. And let me do that. We'll add a scheduler so we can trigger this using the test button, as we've done many times before. And what I want to do is add a database custom component. Hello custom join. Let's expand this configuration panel. We select our connector, and we don't have a custom plug, so let's add it. I'll call this PostgresCustomerOrderJoinCustom. Custom for custom SQL. All right, so click the configure button. Let's select our connector, and for the action it'll be custom. And then I will take this SQL out of here, drop it in there, click OK, and click Save. And now let's test it. And there we have the three orders, 2 by Ada and 1 by Alan. So I think we're in good shape. The only thing we're missing is we need to define the variables, both input and output. Well, we're not passing anything in, but if we were doing, let's say, a where clause, we would want to pass in a parameter. But I want to take these results, and I may want to access these parameters later on in my integration. So I do need to define those here. So that's text. Order ID is an integer. Order date is a date. Amount is a number. And status is text. Okay, and let's save that. And now let's try that in our integration. So I'll select that plug, and you can see here that now I have these properties available for the remainder of my integration. Click Save, and let's test that. And if I look at the output of the connector call, I do see I have 3 orders, and the orders now have the name of the customer in them instead of having a customer ID. So I was able to join the customers and orders table using existing SQL that I had. Thank you.